Here is how to set up a chart of accounts in Zoho Books, step by step. Begin by signing in to your Zoho Books account with your usual login details. Once you are in, wait for the main dashboard to load so the left-hand navigation menu is fully visible. This is where you will move into the accounting area and create a new account entry for your chart of accounts. From the menu on the left, click Accountant, then select Chart of Accounts. This opens the section where all of your existing accounts are listed. Depending on your organization, you may already see categories and account names here. Take a moment to confirm that you are on the Chart of Accounts page before moving forward, since several accounting options can appear close together in the menu. Next, click the button labeled New Account. This opens the form used to create a fresh account in your chart. The form includes a few core fields and one optional setting that can also appear on the dashboard if you choose to enable it. Start with the account type field. Select the type that matches the purpose of the account you are creating. In Zoho Books, this can be an asset, liability, equity, income, or expense account. Make sure you choose the correct type here because this determines how the account is grouped and how it appears in your records. After that, enter the account details. In the account name field, type the name you want to use for this account. Keep the name clear so it is easy to identify later in reports and transactions. If you use account codes in your bookkeeping structure, enter the code in the account code field. This field is optional, so you can leave it blank if you do not use codes. There is also a description field, which is optional as well. You can use it to add a short note about the purpose of the account if needed. If you want this account to be visible as something you monitor from the dashboard, look for the checkbox labeled Add to the Watch List on my dashboard. Check that box only if you want this account included there. If not, leave it unchecked and continue. Before you create the account, review everything on the form. Check the account type, the account name, and any optional information you entered. This is the point to catch a naming issue, a code entered in the wrong place, or the wrong account category before it becomes part of the chart. Once the details look correct, click Save. Zoho Books will create the new account and add it to your chart of accounts list where it will be available for use in your bookkeeping. Your new account is now saved in the chart of accounts in Zoho Books.